Book of Heaven, Volume 12, February 6, 1919. How the soul in the divine will can form the hosts in order to nourish Jesus. I was fusing all of myself in my sweet Jesus, doing as much as I could to enter into the divine volition, to find the chain of my eternal love, of the reparations, of my continuous cry asking for souls, with which my always lovable Jesus longed for me ab eterno, and wanting to chain my little love in time together with that love with which Jesus longed for me eternally, to be able to give him infinite love, infinite reparations, substituting for everything, just as Jesus had taught me. While I was doing this, my sweet Jesus came, all in a hurry, and told me,
"My daughter, I am very hungry."
And it seemed he would take many tiny little white balls from inside my mouth and would eat them. Then, as if he wanted to satisfy his hunger completely, he entered inside my heart, and with both hands he took many crumbs, big and small, and ate them hurriedly. Then, as if having satisfied his hunger, he leaned on my bed and told me,
"My daughter, as the soul keeps enclosing my will and loves me, in my will she encloses me, and in loving me she forms around me the accidents in order to imprison me inside, and forms a host for me. So if she suffers, if she repairs, etc., and encloses my will, she forms many hosts for me in order to communicate me and to satisfy my hunger in a divine way and worthy of me. As soon as I see these hosts formed in the soul, I go and take them in order to feed myself, to satisfy my insatiable hunger that I have for the creature to render me love for love. So you can say to me, 'You have communicated me, I too have communicated you.'"
And I, Jesus, my hosts are your own things, while yours are your things, so I remain always below you. And Jesus,
"For one who really loves, I am unable to consider this, nor do I want to. And besides, in my hosts it is Jesus that I give you, and in yours it is the whole of Jesus that you give me. Do you want to see it?"
And I, yes. He stretched out his hand into my heart and took a tiny little white ball. He broke it, and another Jesus came out from inside of it. And he,
"Did you see? How happy I am when the creature arrives at being able to communicate myself. Therefore make me many hosts, and I will come to feed myself in you. You will renew for me the contentment, the glory, the love, when I communicated myself in instituting myself as sacrament."